Need cash without fees while you're out and about? As a Bank of America customer, you have access to thousands of fee-free ATMs beyond just Bank of America machines. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Use the Bank of America mobile app. Tap the Locations icon. In the filters, select ATMs, and then look for Allpoint or no-fee ATMs. The terminology may vary. The map will show you nearby ATMs where you can withdraw cash without a Bank of America fee. These are often in popular retail stores like CVS, Target, or Walgreens. My crucial pro tip? Always decline the ATM's conversion offer. When using a non-BOF ATM, the machine itself may offer to do the currency conversion for you with a poor exchange rate. Always choose to be charged in your home currency, US dollars, to let Bank of America handle the conversion at their standard rate, which is almost always better. Get cash conveniently and for free, wherever you are. Do you still use ATMs frequently, or have you gone mostly cashless? For more practical banking guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.